Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You have the tools, now start. Take 1/8, 5x11 cardstock and fold it in half lengthwise, crease sharply so both sides match. Once creased, sketch a penguin head shape across the fold. This keeps symmetry and saves trimming. Make pencil marks for eye holes and a small triangle for the beak. These guides prevent overcutting. You should work with the fold on the left so cutting opens into a full mask once you cut just around the sketched outline. Once the shape is cut and opened, you refine the face. Trim smooth edges with scissors and sand minor bumps with light strokes. Now cut eye holes, hold the mask against light to center them on your face and use a craft knife for clean circles about 1 to 1, 25 inches across, which keep visibility. For the beak, cut orange paper to size and score the center so it bends slightly. This gives a 3D look. Make sure to test fit before gluing anything down. You finish by layering black and white paper. Glue a white oval for the belly and a black overlay for the head, aligning edges carefully so seams stay hidden. Once glued, press with a flat tool to remove bubbles. This ensures durability. Attach elastic at 2 side points about 1 inch from the edge, knot and reinforce with clear tape, then test for comfort. If paint or glue smudges, blot immediately with a damp cloth if the edge peels.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.